and welcome back. Welcome to you as well.
Good morning, guys.
We're back at it, guys. We're back on it. Saws are going, compressors are going. I think my buddy Jason back there just said that on his channel.
I would never say such a thing.
Oh my goodness. But we have been powwowing for about a half hour out here. And we have a plan. Stick around. See how that works out. Hang on. Now the bottom. Perfect. Thank you.
So we need to be against the line?
We do. So I need to come over here.
Let me get this center.
That'll be fine.
But I'm not. The wall. Okay.
Yeah, the outside.
We're gonna have to adjust it the same way.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, and then check that.
Put it right now. Put it all the way at the end, so we have all
Okay.
that bow room
Yeah.
to move.
Now we
Okay.
can move the center. That looks good.
That looks damn
Yeah,
good.
here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Got you.
almost like he shot out 2 nails.
It
We're
does.
going this way.
Slow, slow, slow.
Make the turn. Meet to him. He's got something to grab. Walk it right into him. He's got something to grab. Get out of there, Missy.
Back up.
Let me come up there.
Ready, Jason?
Hold on.
Hold on a second. We'll go home. So that we're up there.
I don't need him to move that.
Ready? 1, 1, 2, 3. No, not up. We gotta roll it.
Turning it,
We
guys.
gotta roll it. We're rolling it this way.
These four need to go on the bottom. There we go. Now we can fly. Okay, now we're
Now-
gonna walk it up.
So as you go up, you're all gonna walk towards me.
Right, up.
I'm gonna hold it steady right here.
We'll get that.
That's all right. We'll get it after. All right. Keep going. Keep going.
Hold there a minute.
Okay. Go in. Get it flat, and then we'll walk it out. All right. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Yep. No more. Yeah. Okay.
Right there. Perfect. I'll draw it that way.
Waking up, it's gone. It leaves us feeling cold again. Picking up the stones our hands were made to feel. And moments like these, they show us what we've got when we ain't got.
All right. So how do you think it's going?
One wall at a time. Board by board and nail by nail.
I think he's amazing. I may be in love. I might keep him, Tara.
No, can't have. Priceless to me.
He is priceless. God damn it. Well, you're a lucky woman.
I know. I remind myself. every
I'm a
day.
lucky man to have him for a friend.
It's really tough.
It is tough.
It's tough because
Go for it on your own.
I always
Mark? You
feel
want me to jump
inadequate.
up there?
Oh, look at that. What a show off.
Well, if you're gonna talk so much smack.
I had to uphold all the bragging. I was like, oh, I better earn my keep on this one.
We've got us. We've got us. We've got us.
Really good right there.
We've got us. We've got us. Yes! His eyes look infected. His left ankle is bruised. Taking happiness for granted. Mistakes happen. You and I will learn. And moments like these days show us what we've got when we ain't got a thing. And still we've got us. Still we've got us. Still we've got us. Still we've got us. still we've got.
And yeah, I can see where
Still we've
there's a
got.
good size looks all there. That's okay. So you get the top pulled in towards you. Feel it? It's not much. Yeah, now you'll be able to tap back. Yeah, that looks pretty close.
Alright, baby. You want to explain to these beautiful people why we're using 2x6s on this wall instead of 2x4s?
Sure. So on this side of the house is where all of our utilities is going to be. So there's a small mudroom right here, and then it's our laundry closet, which is part of the mudroom, and then there's a wall, and then there's the bathroom, and then on the other side of the bathroom is the kitchen. So all of our plumbing and venting and all of that is going through this side of the house. You want to use a 2x6 anywhere you're running plumbing through, because PEX is about 1.5 inches, about 1 inch in diameter. So you're gonna cut 1.5 inch hole out of your wood. Now you cut 1.5 inch hole out of a 2x4, you're not left with a lot of structural integrity in that wood to hold the rest of your house up. So we're gonna use 2x6s, which will give us plenty of integrity. We can run all our plumbing through these walls. You'll never see any of it once the finish is on from the inside of the house. So that's why this wall and its abutting walls will be 2x6.
Alright, cool.
Which is
53 and a half.
53 and a half. Good. Mike?
So you need
No.
two.
No, you gotta come down 1.5 inches.
This king set is going up the jacks or whatever. That's going to the header.
Oh, so yeah.
Yeah.
So now, how tall was the window?
It is 23 3/4.
So go 24 3/4.
Well, 24 3/4.
That gives us a 1/2 inch at the top and bottom. So that's the bottom of the header and the top of the bottom plate.
23 and
How big is the window? 23 3/4? Yeah, we want 24 3/4.
That's 24 3/4.
Yeah. So that's the top of the bottom plate and the bottom of the header.
Yep, I'm trying to use the. There we go. I'm just trying to use that. I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Lines up. Yeah, I was gonna say, do you want to flip it? Does it line up? You got room now. Now
Yeah,
you're down.
now I'm perfect.
All right.
Okay. Thank you.
5.5. Okay.
All right. Then we just gotta square it all up.
So, yeah, I gotta build this.
Well, what you can do is build build that, and then put the other one on it. I'll take that, honey.
Yeah, I know. I'm walking around.
Oh. 32. Nope.
Oh.
32. 52. 32.
No, that's the.
Oh, that
silk
goes
plate.
in there. Yeah, perfect.
But you don't want that in there yet, do you?
You can drop it in there. It'll be all right. It's got to go straight in. You gotta. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Beautiful.
excited are you?
I'm super excited.
I know.
One more beam and one more little bit of wall and the entire exterior is framed in.
I know.
In 2 days and
We have worked
3-4 hours.
Yeah, we have worked so hard.
Yeah,
We appreciate everyone who is helping us. This
Yeah.
is like a dream come true,
yeah,
right?
it is. So we're going to get this beam up and get this other wall up, and you guys are gonna have to wait till next week's video to see what it looks like. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.